Welcome to Downtown Aquarium Denver. Today we are exploring one of the city's most unique attractions, an aquarium that's not just home to shark and stingrays, but a tiger. Yes, you heard that right, a real tiger in an aquarium. By the way, do you know the name of this tiger or which country it comes from? And that's not all. We'll also meet the largest freshwater fish in North America. Can you guess its name? Could it be really taller than my daughter? And finally, we'll answer the big question, is Downtown Aquarium Denver truly worth a visit? So, let's dive in, explore the exhibits, and find out. Alright, we're here at aquarium, Downtown Aquarium in Denver. We'll see how this goes. We plan to eat here as well. There's a restaurant inside. Here is the outside. Downtown Aquarium is located at 700 Water Street in Denver, right next to the South Platte River. The 4D Theater. The main building covers 107,000 square feet and sits on a 17-acre site. If you are staying downtown, it is just a quick $7 to $9 Uber or Lyft ride away. The aquarium also has its own parking lot across the street, with still parking price at $8 as of 2025. But honestly, if you are visiting from a nearby hotel, ride-share is often easier and just as affordable. So this is the ticketing booth. If you bought it online, you can just scan your phone through the glass over there. We just did that. Now, let's talk about admission. Tickets for aquarium exhibits currently cost about $28.99 for adults ages 12 to 64, $27.99 for seniors 65 and up, and $22.99 for children 3 to 11. Kids under 2 get in free. Here is a money-saving tip. If you are visiting multiple attractions, grab a Denver City Pass. The Downtown Aquarium is included. Another great option is to explore a dine coupon deal, which bundles admission with a meal at the aquarium restaurant. It is a fun and cost-effective way to enjoy both the exhibits and dining. Now we're ready to head inside. Like many attractions, your visit begins with a photo opportunity. A staff will snap a picture and later offer it with a themed background as a keepsake. Whether you take the photo or opt out, you will then follow the pathway to the elevator, which takes you up to the main exhibits area. As you approach the entrance, here are a few quick facts about Downtown Aquarium. It holds over 1 million gallons of exhibits and showcases more than 500 species from around the world, from fish, sharks, and stingrays to colorful coral reefs. But it is not just about marine life. The aquarium highlights water-related ecosystems like the Wharf, Coral Lagoon, and the Rainforest. Along the way, you will pass through an underwater tunnel, come face to face with sharks, and even get a chance to touch stingrays. You'll also see the magnificent tiger in the Rainforest exhibit. Alright, we're about to begin exploring the aquarium. To help you make the most of it, we'll walk you through each section step by step so you can follow along and enjoy the experience as if you are here in person. The aquarium is divided into 10 themed areas, numbered from 1 to 10 on the map. We'll visit them in order, sharing highlights as you go. Right now we're at number 1, the exhibit entrance. From here, we'll step into number 2, the North American wilderness. Now we are entering the North American wilderness section. This section features a waterfall and recreates the rivers, lakes, and forests of North America, showcasing incredible wildlife that lives closer to home. You'll see playful river otters, sunfish, freshwater turtles, salmon, and rainbow trout darting through the rocky streams. As you explore these animals, let me share how our way of visiting aquarium has changed over the years. When our kids were little, it was all about wide-eyed wonder, seeing sharks, colorful fish, and marine life for the very first time. Now that they are older, we focus on a few highlights and learn about them together. For us, this approach makes every visit more meaningful and memorable as a family. Hey, look at that. That's a big fish. In this section, the highlight for us was the white sturgeon. We learned that the sturgeon is the largest water fish in North America. Do you remember the question from earlier? What is the largest freshwater fish in North America? Well, now you know the answer. The white sturgeon. These giants can grow over 10 feet long and live for more than 100 years. And yes, one here was definitely taller than my daughter. Wow.
Oh my gosh, that's a big
Yeah,
one.
big. Harisha, look at how big it is. Wow. That's impressive. Wow, look at that. One of the sturgeons is towering right next to my daughter, like it is challenging her to a height contest. Everyone around us paused to watch, and we all shared a good laugh. It's a moment like this that make the aquarium experience so memorable for families. From here, we'll continue our journey into the desert zone, the number 3 section of the aquarium. As soon as you step into the desert zone, the temperature rises about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, just like the real desert. Right at the entrance, you are greeted by the dramatic flash flood exhibit. But why have a desert and even a flash flood inside the aquarium? It is to show how even the driest environments are shaped by water. In deserts, life depends on rare rains, and plants and animals must adapt to survive with so little. In fact, sudden storms can send powerful walls of water, rushing through dry canyons, reshaping the land in minutes, and bringing new life. As you continue, you'll meet some incredible desert survivors, reptiles, a Oma python, tarantulas, desert toads, chakwales, and tiny desert puffish. Deserts may look empty, but they actually cover 1/5 of Earth's surface and are full of amazing animals, perfectly adapted to extreme heat and dryness. It was fascinating to see these desert animals up close, one by one, in their recreated desert setting. We even spotted desert puffish, a tiny but remarkable fish that survives in the desert's waters. From here, we'll move to number 4, the Under the Sea Zone. Now we are entering Under the Sea Zone, a vibrant underwater world inspired by the coral reefs. Coral reefs protect shorelines from the waves and provide shelter and food for the wide variety of marine life. As you walk through the glass tunnel, you are surrounded by the seahorses, green moray eels, giant groupers, blue runners, cow-nose rays, and southern stingrays. It truly feels like they're being immersed inside the reef. Take a moment to notice how each creature interacts with its environment. From tiny seahorses to the larger groupers, every animal plays a role in keeping the reef healthy. It is a colorful, unforgettable introduction to life beneath the waves. This is a cool place. If you are looking for another unforgettable experience, the aquarium hosts the Mystic Mermaid Show every Friday at 6:30 p.m. right here in the Under the Sea exhibit. A chance to watch mermaids perform among the marine life. Even better, you can also catch them while dining in the aquarium restaurant, making it a one-of-a-kind explore and dine experience. For details, check out our restaurant guide to experience the aquarium restaurant, along with other dining spots in downtown Denver. Now, as we continue our journey, we leave the calm reef behind and step into at the Wharf, section 5 of the aquarium.
Starfish.
This habitat highlights the resilient creature of the intertidal zone, where tides rise and fall, and conditions are constantly changing. You'll discover a fascinating mix of marine life, from colorful starfish and rockfish to the curious cabezon, and delicate sea anemones, all within the wharf setting, complete with the dock ship. Even the clownfish have adapted to thrive in the dynamic environment. Take a moment to notice how each species navigates this dynamic habitat. It is a fascinating glimpse into life along the waterfront. From here, we'll move into section number 6, the Rainforest, then pass through zones number 7 and number 8 before stopping at the Shipwreck, where sharks wait. Finally, we'll wrap up at the section number 10, the beach, where you can interact with and even feed southern stingrays. Now we step into the rainforest, a lush, vibrant world that makes up about 7% of Earth's surface.
It's a rainforest.
Despite its limited area, rainforests are home to more life than anywhere else on the planet. Yet they are also among the most endangered by human activity.
That looks nice.
As you enter, notice the mist rising around you. It instantly transports you into a humid, tropical environment.
Is there a snake?
Snake, green.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, look at that. That's so scary.
Beneath the dense greenery, you will find fascinating creatures. Freshwater peacock bass, eastern blue grouper, red-tailed catfish schooling together, colorful African cichlids, and powerful predators like arowana and barramundi. Each plays a vital role in this intricate ecosystem. What a stunning rainforest! It is fun to wander through all the lush greenery. We are enjoying every moment of it.
And you have a tiger here too.
The star of this exhibit is something you might not expect in an aquarium, the Sumatran tiger. Remember the question I asked at the beginning, what is the name of this tiger and which country does he come from? This particular tiger currently on display is named Luhan, though simply saying Sumatran tiger is also correct, and he comes from the island of Sumatra in Indonesia. The Sumatran tiger is a powerful reminder that the rainforest is a connected world, from the flooded rivers to the forest floor. His species is critically endangered, threatened by the habitat loss, making this encounter both rare and meaningful.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome.
You'll also notice a small hanging bridge here, a fun spot that kids especially enjoy. My daughter couldn't resist giving it a try. It is a playful little adventure that adds to the rainforest experience. We have even seen little kids cross with their parents. It is a fun moment for the whole family. We could spend more time pointing out every marine creature here, but that's something you can explore on your own. Our goal in this video is to give you a clear overview of the Downtown Aquarium Denver and highlight how each section is designed. Once you understand that, your visit becomes more meaningful and enjoyable. Think of this video as a guide to help you make the most of your time here. Right now we are passing through section number 7, the Coral Lagoon, a natural nursery where you can spot shiny lobster, butterfly fish, and colorful angelfish. Next up, section number 8, the Sunken Temple is styled after ancient ruins and home to the lionfish, barracuda, and even a zebra shark. It feels like stepping into an underwater mystery, one that leads us direct to the section number 9, the Shipwreck. Welcome to the Shipwreck. This is where the history of the ocean unfolds. As you navigate this section, you'll find baby sharks gliding through the shallow and clear waters. In the larger tanks, they swim alongside the birds of color, from peanut butterfly fish, yellow tanks, and more. And within the various smaller tanks, you'll spot the striking red lionfish, the delicate moon jellyfish, and the drifting sea nettles, creating a captivating mix of beauty and mystery all around you. But the adventure doesn't stop at observation. For those seeking the ultimate thrill, the aquarium also offers a breathtaking shark cage experience, where you can come face to face with sharks, alongside hundreds of other fish, all from the security of an underwater cage. This adventure is available for an additional charge. At the edge of the coral reefs, sunken ships don't just decay, they transform into incredible hubs of marine life. And here, you will find some truly incredible creatures. Alright, the highlight here is the shark habitat, where you can watch powerful predators school together. You can get incredibly close, touch the glass, or even sit on the glass floor for a breathtaking encounter. Now if you wait just a moment, nature reveals its main show. Our time here was magical, and it was a humbling experience to stand before such power and grace when a sand tiger shark makes its entrance. Massive, graceful, and utterly unforgettable. It is a memory that captivates everyone, from wide-eyed children to amazed adults, creating a memory of raw, natural power that stays with you long after you have left. Alright, from this underwater world, this adventure leads us to our final stop, section number 10, at the beach, where we'll wrap up the journey with a hands-on encounter with southern stingrays. If you took a photo at the entrance, this is where you will pick it up. The highlight here is the beach area, is your chance to interact with the graceful southern stingrays. You can gently touch their silky wings as they glide through the shallow water, and for an even more memorable moment, you can purchase food to feed them yourself, an experience you won't soon forget. Now, to answer the big question, is Downtown Aquarium Denver worth visiting? Absolutely, without a doubt. From dazzling marine life to the desert landscape, to rainforest magic, it is a place that entertains, inspires, and teaches all at once.
So they also have a restaurant here. It's in the downstairs.
Hopefully you discover something new today and gained a fresh perspective to carry into your own travels. Thanks for exploring with us. If you enjoyed the journey, be sure to subscribe. Until next time, travel smarter, not harder.